Hello.
Hello. Welcome to my apartment. So come on in. I am so excited to show you my space, and I'm actually moving out very soon, so I had to get this video in for you guys. But starting off with the hallway in here, we have a closet. Pretty simple. Definitely vacuum, must need. You don't realize how dusty apartment living gets, but yeah. This apartment is a 2-bed, 2-bath, 700 square foot condo that I pay. Here we have our hallway, and I like to just sit here, put on my shoes, and especially now in the winter, it's like we're wearing boots now because it's very cold. It's snowy in Toronto. I gotta sit here to lace everything up. And I've been told like this is a lot of shoes for 2 people. And like occasionally when I look at it, yeah, it is a lot. But whatever, gotta do what you gotta do. So now we're gonna move into the first bathroom, and this is Jasper's bathroom. I don't know if he wants me to show it to you. I don't think it's like invasion of privacy, but it's fine, we'll do it. I don't like this going in and out or anything. This is his bathroom. Hi, Jasper, if you're seeing this, I was not here. He has a stand-up shower. His lighting's pretty good. Here we have the washer and dryer en suite, and this is a literal godsend. I could not imagine living in an apartment without a en suite washer and dryer. These are like big boys. Like this is massive, so I can like put all my sheets, all my clothes in. And for anyone that says that they wash their sheets every single week, you're lying. That is cap. 2 weeks, believable. 3 weeks, more realistic, but that's just my opinion. And then walking further, we have the full living space. Now on the left here, we have our living room, so let's talk about that first. This couch is absolutely amazing. Every single one of my friends that come over, they plop on this couch and it's like absolute heaven. It's from Cozy, and actually me and Jasper, when we set up this couch, it was an adventure. So let me roll those clips to show you how we assembled this couch. As you can see, my sectional from Cozy just arrived, and all these boxes contain all the individual parts, and it really is a sofa in a box. We are going to assemble this couch. It's going pretty well. We got, I would say like, what is it, like 1 fifth? I'm kind of seeing the vision now, I'm seeing it. I mean, the couch looks nice, but let's do a jump test. So.
How's it?
Good, really good. Yeah, so this couch, love. It's absolutely ginormous too. Like it fills up our entire apartment. And at first I was debating like, oh, should I get like a 2-seater or should I get the 3 plus the ottoman? And I really went with the 3 plus ottoman because, so when we entertain, and we love entertaining, I'm actually gonna show you guys how big this couch is. So like I can lay here and like I'm not even at the very top. And then there's also the ottoman that you can, but like occasionally, like I feel like this is sometimes even more comfier than my bed. And then above here we have my gallery wall, and this gallery wall is from opposite wall. I think it has a meaning. So here we have just water, because I think with Chinese culture it's very important to have water. That's what my mom always told me. It like resembles feng shui or like things like that, and I need all the good energy I can get. So there's water. This is an escalator, I think. They didn't call it an escalator, but I interpret it as it. So it's like going up, but like the road is rocky, so you never know which path you might take, but you'll always be working towards your goal, which is the very top. This one, I'm like trying to think of a way that I can like spin it, but like I just like the design. The mountains are really nice. I've always loved mountains. My desktop wallpaper on my MacBook is mountains. And the last one here is Toronto, YYZ, and those are the coordinates of the 6. Right, and then now we're gonna actually go on to the balcony because I'm sweating. So we have these 2 chairs that we can sit on, and this is the view. We're gonna crawl back in now because it is 10 degrees outside Fahrenheit. Let's just fix this back up. There we go. And just from the couch here, we have our TV. I don't think we really watch a lot of TV. We did have a few game nights. So we got the Switch here. This video will be going up in January, but in December, I would have posted a video that you would see me and Jasper playing Switch on this. I'm an absolute beast at Mario Kart, Mario Party, Smash, you name it, okay? I should honestly be like a streamer at this point. This is our TV. Then moving on, we have our kitchen, where I would say like I spend a good amount of time. I try to do a lot of cooking, at least more than eating out, just because things can add up and eating out is pretty pricey. Here we have the beloved rice cooker, and now if you're Asian, you know that rice cooker is like essential. I have the blender here, which I was trying to make protein smoothies and drinks and stuff, but I probably went to the gym like 5 times. Like, yeah, it's not good. We have our seasonings here because we don't like bland food. A little toaster oven. Now, a toaster oven beats a toaster. I'm just saying, if you ever need to get something for your apartment, college apartment, whatever, just get the toaster oven. Forget about the toaster. Here we have our stove, and when I first used the stove, it took me forever to figure out how to operate it. So let me just show you how like advanced this is. So you click on, and then you just tap the setting how strong you want it, but yeah, and then it's warm, nice and toasty. The fact that I'm gonna be like a doctor soon in 2 years and I couldn't figure this out, it says a lot. Here we have oven. Again, didn't really use much. But here we have the kettle, use this a lot. I love my hot water, just like not even with tea or anything, just hot water. Oh, and this is really cool. So everyone says this is like one of the really cool things about our kitchen is that you would think it just like lifts up, right? Like, or you would like lift sideways, lift up, but like double lifts. Look at that. So bowls, Tupperware, because I do a lot of meal prepping, glasses. But yeah, this is a really, really cool thing, even though it's a struggle for me to get to the top. But this is our fridge, which is like a hidden built-in fridge, and it just looks really, really nice. Like I've never had any like built-in fridges like this. So you open this, it's a stocked fridge, of course. It's quite messy actually. Like it's full, not dirty. There's a difference. And then we have our freezer here. Okay, you're gonna tell me, are Pillsbury like, is this like a Canadian thing or is it American as well? Like these cookies are so good. And of course we have the chicken fingers. Love, love, love. So because this is a quite small apartment, this island double serves as a seating area. So we have our bar stools here, and I'll just like sit here, eat my food, and this is my dining table. So now we're gonna move on to my roommate's room. Now, again, I don't know if I have permission from Jasper to do this, but we're just gonna do it anyways. So let's just slide this. Oh, good, it's actually made. Oh, this is his room, but yeah, this is his room. Overflow. Yeah, never thought I'd feel surprised every time I look you right. Now onto my room where all the magic happens, and by magic I mean the sit down videos, the beginnings of the vlogs, the endings of the vlogs. You'll see the scenes where I do my clips. Now it's time I gotta go. I need to know. So this is my room, and as you can see, the color palette is very much me. It's my aesthetic. There's a lot of whites, there's grays. So if we just go here to the bed, oh, after like a long day of work, studying, plopping down on this bed, feels so nice. And I put this like bedspread specifically because I don't like my outside clothes touching my bed, but I don't care if this gets dirty because I can just wash the gray blanket. So I usually just sit here, lie down here. That's my night table. And I've spoken so much about this sunset lamp. This wakes me up every single day. It gets brighter and brighter and brighter. till my entire room is lit up basically. So it's a really natural way to wake up, so you're not waking up cold and dark and miserable. You're waking up as aesthetic as possible. One of the best things about this room definitely is the fact that it is a corner unit and it's a corner room. So I have windows on both sides, and I wake up to this every single day, and it's probably one of the best views in the world. I get so much light. So even though I wake up at around like 6:30, 7, there's still a lot of light because I face east, so the sun starts to rise. So this is my view.
It's time now. Wrote these lyrics on my phone, better than being alone. Maybe I can save my soul. It's time now. Switch it up.
This is a standing desk. It's from Flexi Spots. As you can see, I do not have a chair. I've been here for 3 months and I have not had a chair. I use like one of the bar stools, so rest in peace my back. This is my first time having a standing desk and it's really, really nice. Yeah, it's a pretty cool concept. I try to do more standing than sitting just because it's healthier. I have my MacBook where all the editing happens. This is my work laptop, some notepads. Now, this plant looks very, very sad, and I don't know what happened to it. I went home for a few days and this is what happened. But it's actually not like dead. I just don't know why. I feel like it's watered and it's green and it's healthy. I think it's just this plant doesn't have like a like rigid structure to it, so it just kind of plops like this. But if anyone knows how to, you know, give it a little bit more life, get a little bit of more oomph, then let me know in the comments, because this looks so sad. Also, I can't even touch the plant because it hurts, because there's a prickly stuff. Here is a drawer which I just have socks and stuff, and you guys always like notice this little frog in my videos. This is actually a humidifier. I get really, really dry skin in the winter and the heat's always on, so this just keeps my room moist. If you're wondering what it is, that's what it is. It's a frog humidifier. We have the tripod here. Let me show you my closet. This is my closet. There's a mirror on the doors, so it doubles in. And here we have my clothes for work. And then we have my laundry hamper. And then on the other side, we have sweaters. We have t-shirts, more sweaters, you know, sweater weather, and then pants. Last is my bathroom. Now this mirror, let me just show you a close-up of this mirror because this makes me feel like I'm on Broadway. This is my vanity and it's a one-piece sink, so it feels very luxurious. And then this is the mirror that makes me feel like I'm on Broadway. So when I turn the lights off, there's no light. Turn it on, and there's a light on the side, and it just is so reminiscent. Like when I used to watch Glee a lot, they would have these kind of mirrors, and it's like, wow. Except I can't sing like I'm on Glee, but yeah. This is the bathroom, and then look at this. I got this really, really bougie soap called Aesop, and if you guys know, you know, this is so, so expensive. Whenever I wash my hands, I use the smallest dollop here because this just costs an arm and a leg. Now I'm gonna open up my cabinet to show you my skincare, which I'm very, very proud about. So here I have most of my used products. Shaving cream, antiperspirant, hair styling cream, and this is some of my prescription meds for my acne. This is so good. It really gives me the moisture I need in the winter. Sunscreen, highly recommend. And then some other miscellaneous stuff. Moving on to oral care, I got mouthwash. I can't use regular floss for the life of me, so I use these dental picks. They still do the job because it's floss. It's just good for people with like challenged fingers like me. And then this is a cream that I love. It's the Reversa Skin Smoothing Body Lotion. It has glycolic acid, so it helps with hyperpigmentation. Now the rest of the bathroom, very, very sacred spot. A lot goes on in here. A lot of crying, even just like celebrating. I have a speaker here because I absolutely need to listen to music when I shower. And again, it depends on the moods. You just finished an exam, or stressed, didn't go so hot. Adele, Olivia Rodrigo is gonna be playing. Bon Iver, Noble More, whatever's going on in my mind right now. Or maybe some throwbacks and I'm like dancing in the shower, near slipping. Here is my shower. It's a really, really nice shower. It's very big. I have my body wash, shampoo, conditioner, grooming items. They're all from Heat Grooming, which I've been using for a long time now. And oh, this is a new face wash that I've started using from Banish. It's like a minty face wash and it feels really nice.
Yeah.
That was my bedroom, and officially you have seen my entire apartment. 2 bed, 2 bath, which I pay, which was a lot, but also this city is so expensive. It's actually listed as one of the most unaffordable cities in the world. So now I'm gonna show you the amenities, which obviously is fractioned into the price, and there's world-class amenities. So let me show you. There's 2 full floors of amenities, and there's also a rooftop, but the rooftop is currently closed, so we're just gonna go to the amenities. First one is the dance studio. I don't do a lot of dances, occasional TikTok dances, but it really doesn't require something like this. But this is a really nice space. I would get sturdy for you, but no thank you. Continuing on, this is the main amenity space, and there's actually a holiday party happening tonight, so this would be like all decorated. But here is the lounge. So this is actually a really cool thing that they just installed. It's a self-serve kitchen, so there's food here, then you can just pay and it'll heat it up for you as well, so really cool. Haven't used it though, it's quite expensive. It's like $10 for a sandwich, so yeah.
Okay, I'm tripping, probably why I'm sipping.
I'm gonna go to the second floor of the lounge, and this stairwell is beautiful.
Like I'm tipping, on my side like Pippin. I don't do that dreaming, everything defeating, Michael Jackson beating.
Here we have the second floor of the lounge. I usually like to use this space if I want to get away from Jasper or just get another good place to lounge.
Sunday Willie beamin', late night I've been thinking, brown eyes got me selling, know just why you blinking, them feelings you prevailing. Now wait, now won't you tell me who you hailing? Kill it then I'm OJ, cross me then I'm bailing.
I didn't use the gym as much as I wanted to, but it's a state-of-the-art facility, so it would have been cool to get a little more use out of it.
It's time now. Wrote these lyrics on my phone, better than being alone. Maybe I can save my soul. It's time now. Switch it up, switch it up, switch it up for a while.
I did use this gym a little bit more just because I'm trying to get big, but yeah, this is the CrossFit studio. And that was my full, long-awaited apartment tour of my 2-bed, 2-bath condo in downtown Toronto, where I pay, for me, because I spend so much time at home creating content, filming scenes. It's really important that I found a place that I could feel comfortable doing so, and it's just a nice break from the outside world that I could really just feel safe and relaxed in. And this place has been that for the past 4 months, so it's been a true blessing. I want to thank all of you for supporting me, because I wouldn't be able to live in a place like this if it wasn't for you guys. But if you enjoyed the video, please make sure to give it a like. Let me know in the comments what you want to see next. And if you want to see more of my day-to-day life as a student, you can follow me on Instagram at NathanWu. I also post a bunch of funny, relatable student reels on Instagram, as well as on TikTok at It's NathanWu. But that's it for me, and I'll see you friends in the next video. Bye.